Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to find an expression for the function whose graph is the given curve. And we have it right here. So it looks like maybe for a second we have an absolute value function, but we can notice that these two sides have different slopes. So this is actually just going to be a piecewise function with two different lines. So we're going to have, let's call f of x is equal to this line if x is less than or equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, and this line if x is greater than 3. So what is the graph of this line? So we have the equation of a line, so we need the slope and the y-intercept. The slope is really easy. You just go, okay, we're going 1 unit across and then 1 unit down. So this is 1 over 1, which is just 1. And then since we're going down, it's negative 1. So this is negative 1x plus the y-intercept. The y-intercept we can clearly see here is at 0, 3, so it's just plus 3. Next here, we have over 1 and up 1, 2, so it's 2 over 1. 2 divided by 1 is just 2, so it's 2x. And since it's going in a positive direction, we keep it positive. Right here, this is a negative slope, so we make it negative. Positive, it stays positive. Plus the y-intercept. What is the y-intercept? Well, if we just draw this down here for a second, this is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. We want to go down 2 and over 1, so it goes down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1. So whatever this point is, this is the y-intercept. 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, 2x plus negative 6. This is a slightly easier way of doing this than finding the whole equation of the line manually like you would normally do. If you don't feel comfortable doing this, then you can just do it that way. I'm just doing it the slightly faster way. We're not looking for just this. We are looking for only the expression. So this is negative x plus 3 if x is less than or equal to 3, and 2x plus negative 6 is minus 6 if x is greater than 3. And this is the function that is represented by this graph.